what should one keep in mind if they're using a cell phone to make pictures in a small or relatively cramped apartment or room?
Look, cell phones will bring in their own technical difficulties, but frankly, I do not think that matters. Photographing inside a home, say late in the night when there aren't enough, say, lights switched on, is a little challenging for any camera, whether you're shooting with an SLR, a mirrorless camera, a compact camera, a cell phone, anything. At the same time, um, when it's daylight outside, you probably know your space best. You know what time the light is going to come streaming in through a particular window, and you know at what time would a certain shadow be cast onto a certain wall. And then it's only about responding with whatever camera you have at hand. The one thing that cell phones, of course, are not very good at is, say, handling low light. And uh, thus, one way of looking at it would be to attract yourself to spaces that are better lit. There'll always be spaces in the house at all times, including in the night, that will have slightly better lighting than say one shadowed corner. And so if you actually uh, draw yourself, if you are drawn to those spaces and then you're looking for the activity that happens around that space, or if you're taking a post photograph, if you ask someone to go closer to the light, all those are ways of really handling it. But beyond that, again, if the moment is compelling enough, then the fact that maybe the pixels are not as sharp does not matter at all. Yeah.